Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, and today we are going to learn about what is GoHighLevel is and how it's work and what's the software and the main features of GoHighLevel. Right now today market GoHighLevel is all-in-one best marketing solution software. Even we have all the functionality that we need to run and manage any type of business. It should be a small business, it should be a large business. We can handle each and everything in GoHighLevel. Yeah, GoHighLevel have roundabout of all types of marketing platforms like customer. We can send emails, SMS in inbuilt within inbuilt system, and also we can automate our whole marketing process in which we will send automatically messages, calls, and SMS as well. Let's dive into the websites and see how they are. The GoHighLevel is the best tool for marketing purpose. You see, they claim they are powerful business affiliate marketing and sales with the GoHighLevel all in one. Yeah, I'm agree with that because yeah, they are providing best functionality in any CRM right now in the world. They have very good awards with best companies. Yeah, let me explain it in the first step. GoHighLevel have everything that you need to be success. Yeah, they are right. I admit it. In the first step, what we can say, we can using this tool we can capture lead through our landing pages, design landing pages, surveys, form, calendars, inbound phone system, and SMS more as well. And then we nurture our leads. Nurture means once leads come into the GHL, and we can send automatically SMS, calls, emails, and FB message and Insta message as well. They not sent. You don't need to send the manual one by one. It should be automatically sent by the GoHighLevel. And once your nurturing is complete, then you can close your lead and collect your payment and appointment, schedule your appointment, track your analytics, each and everything they have in a one tool. And yeah, in this stage, capture new lead. In this stage where we can make full websites, funnels, landing page. It's a super easy drag and drop form builder, drag and drop website builder. Even they have lots of templates. You can use template to make top notch your landing pages, your websites in just one click and two click, and you can change data. That's then your website is ready to go. And in one click and two click, you can link your domain. And the second step is once leads come, your funnel design leads come, then it's nurturing process start. In nurturing process, we will send SMS through inbuilt GoHighLevel system, and we will send calls, we can send emails, and we can send local SMS on those number or customer number. We will nurture our all leads, then we will convert into our customer, and we will book appointment, we will book consultations, we will book according to our calendar availability, and it's once automatically book your all appointment. And after that, they also have a membership area in which you can launch your courses, you can launch your memberships program. Like you have your own course and you want to sell it on a different ways, and you want to sell it on a sell to different market. They have their own community tab, they have their own student tab, even they have their own certification system. They have complete LMS system in a GoHighLevel. Yes, close more leads, and it's simple, easy, super easy to use and super easy to understand. Yeah, that's it from this video. I will in the next video I will dive into login in a GoHighLevel, and I will explain each and everything in a GoHighLevel, how you can operate them, how you can design funnel, how you can make website automation, each and everything we can display. Thank you so much for watching video. Let's meet in the next video. Thank you so much.